In this video, we're going to take you through an international 23-footer with a lounge.
Hi, I'm Red.
And I'm TJ, and we're loving life hitched up.
Join us and come experience all that RV life has to offer.
So I am sitting in what used to be a dinette, now an option through Airstream to get the 23-foot Flying Cloud with a lounge setup. So now you have two lagoon tables that rotate, spin, and give you this wide open space, little comfortable seating so you're not stuffed into a booth style dinette. And these can rotate out of the way and you don't lose sleeping space in here. You actually have some storage tucked back here. So why waste space, right? Get as much space as you possibly can. Let me move this pillow out of the way. It has what looks like two drawers down here. They're kind of hard to pull open at first, but you slide them open and you can see they are still drawers. And you would move this out of the way. These two cushions would have to slide out of the way here so that I can access this piece right here. I'd have to take the lagoon tables out. Dadgummit. So you pull the two drawers out, pop the seat cushions off. This piece flops right down here and becomes your support for your bed. Pop these bad boys back on. Use your cushions in the back to fill in that space. There you go. One. Oh, I got it upside down. Two. And there you go. Another sleeping area with a beautiful headboard. You can put your stuff. You have USBs in here so you can charge your phone, sit down on the ledge, charge it right there in that spot. Really, really nice. I was never a big fan of the dinette and the 23-foot, but this is a game changer. I really love this option from a comfort seating area. I feel like this is a little easier than shimmying into a booth type dinette. But I will point out, because I always like to give the sides. It is nice and comfortable. You can sit up against this wall, put your feet like so. Look out towards the campsite and your beautiful views outside. But if you're sitting this way, you don't have nearly the views. In the dinette, you're always kind of sat sideways, but here you only have the two little Airstream portal views over there and in the front. So that is something to take into consideration if you love that wide open, vast area. But from a seating standpoint, I find this to be much more comfortable than the dinette. And I love the option of having a table that I can move out of the way. And pretty simple setup if you want to turn into a bed, but we don't like anybody enough to turn it into a bed. So this option in here, as we're looking at it, is on a Flying Cloud 23-foot twin axle. So that's the smallest twin axle you can get, is the 23-footer. Usually as a dinette in this area, or you have this as an option. And I am standing in the twin bed version, or there is another option where you get queen bed, which sits on this angle like that. So two great options in the Flying Cloud 23-foot for the twin axle. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the dinette option in a Flying Cloud. I've never seen this before. This is my first chance seeing this. That's why I love coming to these shows. That's why I love doing these videos and throwing it out there. So folks, if you can't get down to see one, or if you've never seen one at your dealership, at least you can see a video as what it looks like. Some folks would love this, some folks won't. Everybody's personal preference is different, but we hope you enjoyed this video. We love making these videos. We hope you guys enjoy that. And remember, when you're out there loving life, do it hitched up.